Hello everyone, welcome to Nelson School Online Education Program Learn System. Subject English Grammar, Grade 7, and topic is conjunctions. Children, many a time you might have seen or used these all words in your daily conversation. And, because, also, which, if, but, however, until, as, so, therefore, suddenly. Now, what are these words? These words are called conjunctions. So, conjunctions, as in a part of speech you have learned in the earlier standard, that conjunction is a word that used to join. You can see how this thing, how glue joins. Same way, conjunction also joins two words, two phrases, two clauses, two statements. So, the work of conjunction is to join. Okay. Now, next. Definition of conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that are used to join words, group of words, sentences or clauses together, as I have told. Take example of number 1. The sun was shining, a hot wind was blowing. So both the activities were going on. So it is the sun was shining and a hot wind was blowing. Okay. Wait here, the rain stops. Okay. Let us wait here, the rain stops. Till when will you wait here? Till the rain stops. So it is let us wait here until the rain stops. Number 3. We will play match if it does not rain. It's a condition given. If it is not raining, then only we can play the match, otherwise not. So it's we will play match if it does not rain. Number 4. I was suffering from fever. I could not attend the class. Why you could not attend the class? Because you were suffering from fever. So it's a reason given here. I like Tony because he is always cheerful. Why do you like Tony? Because he is always cheerful. Children, we might be using these words called conjunctions in our daily conversation. Okay, and sometimes you just think that if we don't use these words, will we be able to express ourselves, express two statements, two phrases, two words together without conjunctions? So here the words and, until, if, as, and because are some conjunctions as they join the sentences together. Now, kinds of conjunctions. It's basically two main conjunctions, coordinating and subordinating, but correlative conjunctions are the conjunctions that cannot be used without each other. Like if it is not only but also, you cannot use not only and don't use but also. You cannot only use neither, you cannot only use yet in conjunctions. So now it is categorized into three forms, that is coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction and correlative conjunctions. So coordinating conjunctions also I'll give you. Right now you can just write for and, neither, but, or, yes, so, but it's a proper fashion in which we mention the coordinating conjunctions. That also I'll be teaching you in the next slides, upcoming slides. Subordinating conjunctions like after, although, unless, because, in order, since, if, that. Correlative like either or, neither nor, then it is although, yet, and it is not only but also, as well as. These are called the correlative conjunctions. Now, as I have told you that I will be teaching coordinating conjunction in detail, subordinating conjunction and a correlative conjunctions. Now, in coordinating conjunctions, it is categorized under four things, that is joining, contrast, choice and reason. So it is and, both and, as well as, no less than, not only but also. Then for contrast it is but, still, yet, nevertheless, whereas, while, only. For choice it is or, either or, neither nor, otherwise, else. For reasoning it is for, so and therefore. Now children, this is the same pattern you are going to write in your fair books also, and you have to learn conjunctions in the same fashion as it is given here. Fine. Now subordinating conjunction is categorized like in noun clause. It's usually a 10 categorization. It is noun clause, it is that of whether. Adverb clause, it usually shows time, that is when, whenever, before, after, till, since, as soon as, while, as. Then it is place, where, wherever. Then it is reason, because, since, as, cause and reason. So it is because, since, as, result, so that, such that, purpose, so that, that, list, condition, if and unless, contrast, though, although, yet, even if, manner, as an, as if, comparison, as an, then. Now correlative conjunctions, as I've told, they are used in pairs always. They correlate each other. So it is either or, neither nor, although, yet, both, and, such as, such that, so as and as so that, hardly when or scarcely when, not only but also, and no sooner than. We'll begin first with coordinating conjunction. So conjunction that is used to join two independent statements or two statements of equal rank or importance, or the both of them are the main clauses, you could say, or both of them are the main sentences, main statements are independent statements. They don't need any other object to complete their meaning. So when both the statements are of equal rank, that time when we join them, we take the help of coordinating conjunction. That is and, both and, as well as, no less than, not only but also. Examples: the teachers were present for the seminar, the students were present for the seminar. So both the statements can stand alone. So what we can say, the teachers and the students were present for the seminar. You can even write the teachers as well as the students were present for the seminar. Now number 2, my brother is intelligent, my brother is hardworking. So both the sentences are the main statements or the independent statements. So we'll say my brother is both intelligent and hardworking. Number 3, she is pretty, she is intelligent. Now this also are the two statements of equal rank. They convey the meaning on their own, they are independent. So you will use she is pretty as well as intelligent. His friend is guilty, he is equally guilty. So what you can write is he no less than his friend is guilty, means both of them are equally guilty. She is clever, she is active. So again both are independent. So what we'll use is she is not only clever but also active. Now for contrast, but still yet, nevertheless, whereas, while, only. Now it's I am right, you are wrong. So both the statements make the sense. So both the statements are independent statements. So we'll use the coordinating conjunction that is used for contrast. So it's I am right, but you are wrong. Okay. He had not paid his bill, his electricity was not cut off. So both the statements again of equal rank. He has not paid the bill, his electricity was not cut off. So this shows contrast. So what you can write, he had not paid his bill, yet his electricity was not cut off, or still his electricity was not cut off. Number 3, her advice seems strange, I believe she is right. Okay, so here again contrast is there. You believe she is right, but the advice just seems little strange. So it's, you can use both the statements are independent. So you can use a coordinating conjunction that shows contrast. So it will be her advice seems strange, yet I believe she is right. Or you can write but I believe she is right. Now next, number 4, he was very tired, I went on walking. So he was very tired and he went on walking. So this also shows what? Contrast, and both of them are the independent statements. He was very tired, he went on walking. So what you will write is he was very tired but he went on walking. Then number 5, I prefer coffee, my sister prefers tea. So it is, both the statements make sense. I prefer coffee, my sister prefers tea. So it is contrast. So you can write is I prefer coffee but my sister prefers tea. I prefer coffee, or you can write or but still yet, nevertheless my sister prefers tea. Okay, whereas, while, only, all could be used. I prefer coffee whereas my sister prefers tea. While I prefer coffee, comma, my sister prefers tea. So you can use any of the contrast coordinating conjunctions to join these two independent statements. Next is for the choice or, neither nor, otherwise, else. Now for choice, it is you must work hard, you will fail in the examination. There are two choices given to you, that if you do not work hard, you will fail. So you have to, both the statements make sense. You must work hard, you will fail in the examination. Okay, so independent. So you can use a coordinating conjunction of choice, that is you must work hard or you will fail in the examination. You must work hard, otherwise you will fail in the examination. Number 2, behave yourself, leave the class. Again, there's a choice given to you. So you will write either behave yourself or leave the class. Fine. Number 3, she is not attentive, she is not active. Here also both the statements are independent, not attentive and not active, but they convey a negativity. So we'll be using she is neither attentive nor active. Finish your packing, you will be late for the bus. So it's choice given, finish your packing, again it's a statement, okay, or you'll be late for the bus. So again it is an independent statement. So you will join a choice coordinating conjunction, you will take and join these two statements. That is finish your packing, otherwise you'll be late for finish your packing, otherwise you'll be late for the bus. So stop talking, you will be punished. It is stop talking, otherwise you will be punished. Stop talking or you will be punished. Subordinating conjunctions. Now these till that were coordinating conjunctions of joining, contrast, choice and reason. Now the subordinating conjunctions that are used to join two statements, one of which is dependent on the other. So it is, these are the conjunctions: that, if, whether, when, whenever, before, after, till, since, as soon as, while, as, so that, such that, so that, that, list, unless, yet, as, though, although, yet, even if, as and as, then and as, if. Examples. Now first we'll begin with the noun clause. Okay, he said he will help her. Now children, you see the two statements over here. First statement is he said, next is he will help her. What did he say? Now here independent statements are not there. One is an independent statement, one is a dependent statement. So which one is the independent? That is he will help her. Okay, and which word is dependent? He said. Okay, so what you'll write? He said what? So he said that he will help her. She asked me, she can take my book. So she can take my book is an independent statement, but she asked me what? So she asked me whether she can take my book, or you can write if she can take my book. The use for time, conjunctions used for time. We were happy, our football team won the match. Now when were you happy? We were happy when our team won the football match, or you can write we were happy when our football team won the match. He talks to me politely, he meets me. When does he talk to you politely? Whenever he meets me. So that shows time. So it is he talks to me politely whenever he meets me. Number 5, celebrations had begun, the results were formally declared. So before the result means first the results will be declared, then only celebrations will begin. So it's celebrate, but here they have begun the celebration before the results were formally declared. The door was locked, the guests had left. So it is because the door was locked, the guests left, or you can write when the door was locked, after that the guests have left. So the door was locked after the guests left. Number 7, I will wait for you, you finish your remaining work. So it is till when could you wait for her or him? So till she finishes the work. So it is simultaneously both the actions are going on. So it is I will wait for you while you finish your remaining work. This while shows time, children. And the coordinating while, that is used for contrast, that shows contrast. The dog barked at me, I came across to it. When did he bark? The dog barked at me when I came across it, or you can write the dog barked at me as I came across to it. Now, number 9, she found a bag she had left in the shop. Fine. She found her bag where she had left in the shop. Where did she find a bag? She found a bag where she has left. Number 10, cause or the reason. Now, this conjunctions will show you the cause or the reason. I respect him. Why do you respect him? Because he always speaks the truth. So you can use because he speaks the truth, or you can write since he speaks the truth, as he speaks the truth. I respect him since he always speaks the truth. I respect him as he always speaks the truth. Number 11, electricity is disconnected in his house. He had not paid the bill. Now why did electricity disconnect? So it is in his house. So it is because he has not paid his bill. So it was disconnected. So electricity is disconnected in his house as he has not paid the bill, or since or because he has not paid the bill. Now for the result or consequence, he spoke slow. I could not understand it. how much slow he spoke. So he spoke so slow for the result, so that and such that. So you can write he spoke so slow that I could not understand what he spoke, or I could not understand. Then there was a loud noise. I could not have my sleep. Now there was such a loud noise that I could not have my sleep. Okay, now for the purpose, it is so that and list. So it's my parents work hard. Why do your parents work hard? So that we can live a better life. He gripped his brother's arm. He would be trampled by the mob. So why did he do it? Because he gripped his brother's arm lest he would be trampled by the mob. If he might not have gripped his brother's arm, he might have stumbled it. Now for condition, that show the condition for if and unless you will not be allowed to enter, you have an identity card. So it is, if you do not have identity card, you will not be allowed to enter. Now children, if and unless could be used, they both the mean same, like if plus not makes unless. So it is, you will not be allowed to enter, you have an identity card. So here it's unless is used. I'll tell you how to use if also. So it is, because it's not, so it's better we'll use unless. So it is, you will not be allowed to enter unless you have an identity card. And if you want to use if, so it will be, if you have an identity card, you will be allowed to enter. Or if you want to write this statement same, that is, you will not be allowed to enter if you do not have an identity card. She asked me, I can help her. So if she asks me, I'll help her. So she asked me if I can help her. Now the thing that shows contrast, that is though, although, yet, even if. He could not be selected, he was confident. So you can write though he was confident, comma, he could not be selected. Although he was confident, yet he could not be selected. Or even if he was confident, he could not be selected. I think that is for comparison. That is as and then for positive and for comparative. So it is, she is as intelligent as Hema. Means both of them, the comparative degree what we are asking, that is same. Both are equally intelligent. So we'll use positive. So it is, she is as intelligent as Hema. But now when you are talking about Anil and his brother, that time Anil is more intelligent than his brother. So here you have to use comparative. Now manner, that is as and as if. The children acted, the teacher advised them. How did children act? As their teacher advised them. This shows manner. She behaved rudely, she was angry. So she behaved rudely as if she was very angry. Now correlative conjunctions. Conjunctions which are used in pairs are called correlative conjunctions. As I have told you, when we use these conjunctions, its two parts are placed immediately before the words to be connected. So these are either or, neither nor, both and, though yet, such as, so as and as, so that, hardly when, not only but also, and no sooner than. Now next, with either or, take it, leave it. So it's either take it or leave it. Now with neither nor, it is not useful, it is not ornamental. So it is neither useful, not ornamental. Both end. We love him, we honor him. So it is, we both love and honor him. Though and yet, or although yet, he is suffering much pain, he does not complain. Though he is suffering much pain, yet he does not complain. Or you can write, although he is having much pain, but yet he does not complain. With not only but also a coordinating conjunction, coordinating correlative conjunction, that is used for joining. He is foolish, he is obstinate. He is not only foolish but obstinate also. So you can write not only he is foolish but also obstinate. Both are preferable, but the most preferable is he is not only foolish but obstinate also. No sooner than he saw me, he ran away. So no sooner did he see me, then he ran away. When you are using no sooner did, because saw, it's a past verb, so I'll be using did. Now when I'm using did, immediately I'll bring the verb in its first form, that is see, and then. No sooner than is a pair. So it's no sooner did he see me, then comma is replaced, the full stop is replaced with then he ran away. Thank you.